In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT for UPSC preparation. If you're getting started or trying to bring more structure to your study routine, think of ChatGPT as your on-demand study partner. We'll use it to plan, learn complex topics with clarity, practice with purpose, and polish your answer writing and interview readiness. Begin by creating a structured study plan. Ask ChatGPT to build daily, weekly, and monthly schedules that fit your timeline and availability, and request a clear breakdown of the UPSC syllabus into manageable topics. You can specify how many hours you have on weekdays versus weekends and ask for realistic goals with built-in revision timelines. Make sure it organizes your preparation distinctly for prelims, mains, and the interview so your coverage is balanced. A great way to start is create a 6-month UPSC study plan for a beginner preparing for both prelims and mains. Once you have a draft, ask it to add milestones, mock test slots, and short revision blocks so you keep looping back to what you've learned. Next, use ChatGPT to learn and understand complex topics. Request simplified explanations for history, polity, economics, and geography, and follow up with concise topic summaries and key concepts. You can even ask for mind maps or revision notes to visualize relationships and hierarchies. When something feels tough, push for examples and comparisons to anchor your understanding. Try. Explain the Indian Constitution's fundamental rights in simple language with examples. If the explanation feels dense, ask for a shorter version or an analogy-oriented summary. For practice questions and mock tests, have ChatGPT generate MCQs for prelims along with answers and explanations, and ask for main-style descriptive questions with sample outlines or model responses. You can also request current affairs quizzes and topic-based tests to target specific areas. A prompt like generate 20 UPSC prelims MCQs on Indian geography with answers and explanations works well. After attempting them, ask ChatGPT to analyze your responses, highlight weak areas, and recommend follow-up topics so your next study session is focused. Finally, improve answer writing and revision. Paste your mains answers or essays and ask for feedback on structure, content depth, and presentation. Request model answers for important themes and turn them into concise revision notes or flashcards. To build interview confidence, practice personality test scenarios and refine your responses with tone and structure guidance. Use Evaluate My UPSC Mains Answer and suggest improvements for structure, content, and presentation. Use these workflows consistently, iterate on the feedback you receive, and remember to cross-check facts with standard UPSC sources. With a clear plan, smart practice, and steady refinement, ChatGPT can meaningfully accelerate your UPSC preparation.